Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tech 1008. So this is the another video of our series in developing skills in Java programming. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the video. So our today's question is that we have to convert feet into inches, centimeters, meters and millimeters. So let's start. सबसे पहले हमको बनानी है क्लास का नाम हम लोग रखते हैं कन्वर्जन। इसके अंदर हम लोग बनाएंगे मेन मेथड, public static void main, string args. It is important to make main method. Now first of all we will be converting feet into inches. Okay, so the logic for converting feet into inches is that 1 feet equals to 12 inches. So we have to make a variable name as feet. अब feet में अंदर हम लोग डाल देते हैं value 12. It means that we have taken 12 feet over here. Okay, so for converting feet into inches we have to make one more variable inches, in which we will be storing the result. Int inches. So the logic for converting the feet into inches is that 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. So feet equals into 12. Okay. System dot out dot println feet plus feet plus is plus inches plus inches. Okay, now we will run our code. Great, 12 feet is 144 inches. Now we will be converting feet into centimeters. First we will convert feet into meters. Okay, so already we have make a variable feet over there. So the logic for converting feet into meters is that 1 feet is equals to 0.305 meters. So double meter is equals to feet into 0.305. Okay, now we will print this. Meters meters. Now we will run this. Great, 12 feet is 3.66 meters. Now we will convert feet into centimeters. Okay, So there is no logic for converting feet into centimeters. Basically it is that 1 feet is equals to 0.305 meters. So and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, so we will multiply. First we will convert into meters and then we will convert into centimeters by multiplying it by 100. So basically it will convert into centimeters. So we have to make one more variable as cm for centimeters. So in this we will be multiplying feet into 0.305. ओके, सो अब ये हमारा इतना हो गया है कि हमने फीट को 305 से मल्टीप्लाई करा तो मीटर बन गया. अब इसको हम फीट को हमने 0.305 से मल्टीप्लाई करा और मीटर बन गया. अब इसको अब 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो सेंटीमीटर ही बन जाएगा. Now we will run this. We have to take double as a data type over here, since double is more precise than int and float. Okay, 12 feet is 12 feet is 366 centimeters. Now we will convert feet to millimeter. It is same as centimeters, only the difference is first we have to convert into meters and then we have to convert meters into millimeters. So 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. Okay, so first we have to make one more variable as mm for millimeter. Then we have to change feet to meter, that is 0.305. Okay, since we have multiplied feet with 0.305, now we will be multiplying it with 1000. Okay, we have to take double as a data type over here, as it will change into floating point value. Okay, so the result is over here. For more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and yes, please go and see our previous videos too. It will be very much helpful for you. If you have any type of query, please write in the comment section. Hit the like button. Thank you.